See that? See the red bothy over right in the corner over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that bothy there. So we'll bimble down here, and what we'll do is we'll find somewhere to have a brew in here somewhere. And then what we're going to do is we're going to paddle around here. The bad step is here, so we're definitely going to go in and have a look at that. Those that want to get out the boats and go and do it, then they can. I did last time we were here. And then we're going to come around into here, up into where that bothy is here, the Carusk Memorial Hut. And then somebody has to stay with the boats. I bother to. And so if those that want to can have a walk up into the edge of Loch Carusk and look down into the back of the Coolins. You can actually see the whole of the Coolin Ridge today. You can't see the in pin, which is behind this one here, but other than that you can see the whole ridge from here, which is pretty impressive. Okay. And then coming back, depends what the wind does. The wind's already a little bit stronger than it was forecast. So what we might do is we may well come back out to here and then cross over and have this and stay on this side again coming back. If the wind's not too bad and we fancy it, we might come up and just take a straight line back. Do a bit of an open crossing coming back. But we'll see what the wind does, and then we can make some decisions about what we might or might not do.
Huh?
I forgot my phone, I was going to take some snaps.
Oh.
Bring it at high tide, yeah. Tip it there. It's supposed to be sunny all day, but it's definitely raining over there.
Yeah. Bugger.